I try and tell them with my cerebellum what it is I'm yelling, ain't no felon shit. Or some freestyle off the melon shit. Before I touch my pen to the pad, I think of the consequence. Rewind, back to the days when I had no confidence. Looking up to dudes that I visualize as my heroes. What we had in common was as maximal as zero. So I would try and compensate by convincing myself I was different than myself. The alter ego begins. The year is 2005 in my mother's basement. Yelling in a condenser microphone was my statement. Try to emulate the rapper I consider greatest. Talking over dinner, tell my sisters I'ma make it. But as my alter ego grew, so did my personnel now. Perfecting my act became so natural you can't tell now. And that's some scary shit, but it's too late to crack the shell now. Cause what is in this plastic bag is what I sell now. Small town boy, population 40,000. Grew up in a neighborhood of middle class housing. But the way I'm talking, you would think I'm from the projects. Using New York slang, but completely out of context. Rookie with the slang, but the slang's still there. Smoking on whatever, like I don't really care. I'm a rapper, I'm crazy, like Bone and fucking Tupac. At the time, Kumo D was someone I ain't knew of. One night I was drinking and I called a girl a hoe. 5 minutes later, 8 dudes come rushing me out the door like